Okay, so this is our Lawnflite 603. It is quite solid underneath, but it's got a lot of rust on it. 12.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Isn't currently starting, but I think that may be due to the rust. We've tried a lot of things. Isn't turning over. It's not the seat sensor, because don't try this at home, by the way, but we shorted that out. Obviously it isn't going to start because the battery isn't in right now, but even when it was, that's not it, so it's nothing to do with that. I think we've fixed a lot of the leads as they're looking quite new in there, but down below they may be rusted out, it's not seized or nothing. The clutch and all works. And when you're driving it, that's how fast you're going. So you start off in park, which it currently doesn't go into. You let your foot off the clutch, speed up. When you want to change, you put your foot back on it, and you can use this thing. This tells you how fast you're going. It's nothing to do with that, because if we flip up the bonnet here, you can see that mechanism's working fine down in there. Definitely petrol in it. It's a 2-stroke, or 4-stroke maybe actually. The wheels are all looking fine. Well, that one's a bit soft. We can get that fixed. This isn't seized or nothing. That there just tells you how to starting procedures, and it is a 603. So in general, yeah, it's a pretty solid machine on the inside. Everything doesn't seem to be too stiff. Once you and you can put it into all forms and stuff not that bad. This obviously is operated by the clutch, so it's easy once you put the clutch in. This thing doesn't work, I don't think. Key works fine. This is the switch for the lights. Now, obviously that's not going to work, because here's the connectors for the lights, and they're not plugged in at all, so that's not going to work. So we'll get it back in. Sorry we haven't been doing much work on it today. It's just it's a bit late and it gets dark quite quickly now where I live. So episode 3 will definitely be changing a few things and maybe trying to start it. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time.